Making money with lead generation involves gathering potential customers' contact information and selling it to businesses that want to reach those prospects. Here's how to monetize lead generation. Offer lead generation services to businesses. Build a lead generation business by offering services to companies that need leads for sales or marketing. Use strategies like email marketing, paid ads, content marketing, or SEO to attract leads for your clients. Charge a flat fee or commission for each lead generated. Sell leads to businesses. Create your own lead generation website or landing page targeting specific niches. Drive traffic through SEO, social media, or paid ads and collect contact information. Sell the leads to relevant companies in those industries who are looking for new customers. Affiliate marketing with lead generation. Use lead generation tactics to build an email list of interested customers and promote affiliate products or services to them. Earn commissions when your subscribers make purchases through your affiliate links. Generate leads through social media. Use LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram to generate leads by offering free content, consultations, or discounts. Then sell these leads to businesses for a fee.